Welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin's shipment 8, due in early January 2021. So that is due in on the 8th of January, but with customs and so on, it'll take a few more weeks for that for us to unload and register and all that kind of thing. So probably due for February. But apart from that, you're going to be seeing about 50 motorcycles in these videos. Each one of them will go through the condition, mileage, price, that kind of thing. So you'll have a better idea of what to expect. We're then taking €250 deposits if you want to secure a particular bike. And do remember that the last brochure we sold up to 30 bikes before they even landed, so they do go high on demand, especially our 50s, 70s and 90s, that is, in Hondas. Remember to like, subscribe and comment down below on what you think of these videos. They do take a long time to create, so any of those is greatly appreciated. So that's it for now. So enjoy the next bike you're going to see. Enjoy the video. Okay, bike 21 is not deja vu, or you're not seeing double. It is just another Honda MD90. Again, really nice condition bike. Nothing really to make note of a whole lot on this one. Another exceptionally good condition bike. As I said, again, front reinforced shocks. If I move over to this picture here, reinforced front shocks, headline being moved up further to accommodate the larger front rack, double the size on the rear rack, reinforced front and rear suspension to carry more load, capable of about 80 to 90 kilometers an hour. It's got heated grips from factory, which work fantastically. But apart from that, nothing really to make note of on this bike. Very, very good condition. Some very, very minor things, you know, as you go around for wear, you know, like slight fading of the white sticker here on the front of the mudguard. You know, nothing really crazy. It doesn't even have any pitting on the front forks here, it seems. But that's it for bike 21, the Honda MD90. Okay, that's for this video, this particular bike. If you have enjoyed the video, please do leave a like. Also comment and subscribe will be greatly appreciated. As well as that, if you do want to look at all the bikes, the brochure will be linked in the description. Just fill out that form and the brochure will be sent to you automatically. So that's really that for that video. All the other videos are linked there in the brochure or will be uploaded here on YouTube. So that's it for that video. Thank you for watching.